Friday. Yes, today's a Friday. Alright, so this I came across this YouTuber channel where she's talking about why Jamaican men are so annoying, or when they're trying to pick you up, they have these annoying pickup lines, right? You'll see her channel somewhere here. I put her channel somewhere here. This YouTuber, she's Things by Rosie. Yeah, that's her YouTube channel name. It will be somewhere there and everything. So I was basically on YouTube watching lots of YouTubers because that's all we have to do in this quarantine time. Is basically watch YouTube videos, watch Netflix. I have lots of Netflix movies as well, and all of that. So I'm basically watching this YouTuber and watching her content that I'm interested in, because I like when people discuss their issues that they have with men overall in general, wanting men to do better, wanting females to do better, and all that. So her content was similar to something that I would do. And so when I was watching that video, I was like, I like it. It's something that I would do, voicing my opinion on what I hate that Jamaican men do, or hate that what persons do when they're trying to pick you up. So I was watching the video. I'm gonna put the video in there so you guys can check out the video right now.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I just want to go on a rant on 3 stuff that I hate that men do when they're trying to look woman, or get more attention or something. But I see it's try them something here. Whew. The first one is when they're like telling me, baby, you can't smile, and I'm like, why me for walk up and down with a big smile on my face like me a clown? Me a clown? Me a clown. Me not go walk up and down with a big smile on my face. You get what me say? If you like me or something, come different.
You guys saw the video. What you guys think of the video? What she says about Jamaican men and all of that. Alright, so when I watch the video, it's like, the Jamaican men where she lives, they're a bit PG-13. I didn't read the compliments that they are giving her are like very soft. PG-13 is not anything like very disrespectful, anything that make you feel like bad about yourself. So I'm like, where she lives in Jamaica must be very nice. The comment that she gets from men. Here downtown, I have a different comment section when you're passing, or what men say here downtown Kingston. So I decided I'm gonna do my version of it because I really like her content. I said I want to do my version of what basically Jamaican men pickup line is, annoying pickup lines. Alright, so my first one is, okay, so when you're basically passing by, right? And if you're wearing like a short of shorts or tight pants and everything, and the first remark they come out of the man's mouth is, baby, cock up, or whatever you like, cock up or that. And I don't have much, but I'm not much ass around there, so yeah. Like, cock up, my girl, me if you cock it up, you can just up a back as you get, I'm like, what? What the hell? By me wearing whatever clothes I'm wearing, that means I'm getting lots of backers? That made no sense. And if you have big bottom, that means of a backers you get? Interesting. And that's, to me, that's a very, very creepy remark in regards to a pickup line or a compliment, or what they think a compliment is. Alright, and next thing that I find very, 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 very annoying when you're passing by on the road or going somewhere or something, whatever, and the pickup line is, they're always saying, I them to be the one. I mean, for that be the one, whatever you're smashing, and like, couldn't he be like the one who will treat me nice? Or couldn't he be the one that want to take me out? Or you want to be the one that be smashing me? And that's not a compliment, me passing the time, yeah, you are the one to be a smash me, and let man say you can't smash me. I don't really find that as a compliment, and I don't know which female that working on, but female is working on you. No. Let it pass. It doesn't work. It's not a good pickup line or anything. It's more of a line that is just sexual. It is bringing down your character. It's a demeaning line. It's not something that make you feel good about yourself at all. So yeah, so that's one that I really, really, really ate. And the next one that I ate more than anything else, I think she did three of them, I think. Three pickup lines. But this is another pickup line that I really, 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 really ate, and I realized that it happens to lots of pregnant women. So if you're pregnant or stuff like that, and this is a pickup line that I ate because I remember walking with my sister and she got this pickup line, which I find very, very, very gross. The most grossest pickup line ever you ever get from a Jamaican man. And the line is, I mean, if you water the baby head. I'm like, what? Who does that work on? Who does that work and that's all? You should be watering the baby head. Why you want to water the baby at all? You know, that don't make no sense. And wouldn't she have a husband that would be willing, or a baby father that would be willing to water anything? Why you want to water anything? So yeah, so that's one of the grossest lines I find very gross and very disturbing. Now I'm listening to them like, what the hell? Why would you want to do something like that? So yeah, and I think it's a compliment we're saying that you already can't get pregnant if you come cheat with me, because you're already pregnant already, and pregnant woman out there decide cheating with their husband just to make someone want to live it make no sense, or just kind of move out of sorry like that. It make no sense. Yeah, so that is my basic three gross annoying pickup lines that you get from Jamaican man. And yeah, so let me know in the comment section, if you're a female, what are some of the gross compliments that you get when you're walking on the road, or if you're basically going and you're still walking on the road, compliments that you get from a Jamaican man, or being Jamaican over just literally walking on the street. And I also want to point out to something that happened recently to with in regards to compliments and remarks. So basically there is this girl, and that's why this when I saw her topic I wanted to do one of this. So basically this girl, right? I think it was up the road from my neighborhood, one of those boys school side. Yeah. So she was basically standing up on the bus stop or whatever, and this Jamaican man, he gave her a compliment, what he think is a compliment, and she's like, don't talk to me or something like that, and he went up to her and boxed the female in her face, saying that she has no right to reject his compliment. And I find that very, very annoying as being a Jamaican woman. Whenever somebody give you a compliment or you tell them they never I don't touch you or something, Jamaican men get very defensive and get in the mood where they want to fight. Or I think they're giving you good compliments, so you're supposed to be like smile or be happy or anything like that when they give you weird compliments. And so yeah, that's our reason why I want to do this, let you know that Jamaican men, their compliments are not sexy and they're not making you feel better. And also when you get remarks like don't leave me alone, don't talk to me, or people are walking fast, it doesn't mean, which that happens to me, that when people give me weird compliments and I'm like whatever, I'm starting to speed up walking, I realize the person said they walk fast to catch me up too. They start walking my pace. And I'm like, what? So whenever I get a weird compliment or a female dashing you away like running from you, it means that you should turn the other way. It don't mean you must trail her or follow her to give her more compliments that she doesn't want. Because, you know, literally, you know when somebody's not interested or when they're interested. So yeah, so that's my thing. And shout out, go check out Things by Rosie channel for this video if you guys want to check it out, the full video, because I don't think I put the full video in my clip. But yeah, go check out our channel, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye.